Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright?